always a proverb or a saying to match whatever emotion or situation there is. Now, these proverbs or sayings are influenced by our multicultural ancestry, namely that of the African and English ancestry. And of course, it's not just the saying or the proverb, it's how you say it too. Hey! Peacock hide him foot when him hear about him tail. In English, them would have said, the peacock hide his foot when he hears about his tail. In other words, my dear, some people in their vanity who want to appear perfect will go to great lengths to hide what they consider to be their flaws. Because if after that the peacock sift the beauty of him tail, even him little foot them him consider to be a flaw. So make sure Heidi can want to show off only the tail. Eh? There is so much truth and wisdom in our good old Jamaican proverbs. So we need to claim our heritage, know our culture, get to know we Jamaican proverb them, and use them when we really need to.